for you, the customer that has a very good neighbor, and his job is a barber, a very nice neighbor, and he told him that your car should not fix too much. It's a very easy fix, and he says, boss, easy fix, why cost so much? And I tell him that it costs so much because the garage, AutoNet VIP, has sophisticated equipment and has access to the latest technology, and we can pinpoint and find the problem without wasting too much time. So, customer, what was wrong with this vehicle?
The customer came in and it wasn't starting at all.
Car wasn't starting.
We managed to get started, but we had communication problems.
Multiple communication problems.
I then find out that the customer replaced his 12-volt battery. It was not programmed in the car,
12-volt battery not coded.
not programmed. The VSI was not reset after replacing the battery. No problems. You won't have any immobilizer problems. If you don't reset it, you will have problems. Immobilizer, your car won't start.
So for this car, we've done a VSI reset. Okay. 12-volt battery replaced, not being programmed, multiple errors, making customer and the garage being confused. But we've done battery programming, VSI reset, and the car starts every time. You sure? Okay. Twice. And let's try it 3 times. Okay, it seems to work okay. It seems to do the job. So this is the first type of client. The second type of client is the one that goes to the garage, he gets the printer, the error codes, and he goes and he speaks to his virtual assistant, the AI, the new AI. Fantastic, it's good. You can definitely get some information from that. But when you have a P100 error code, the machine tells you that is a air mass flow sensor. It could actually be a faulty sensor. It could be that the wire that comes to the sensor is faulty, or it could be just a broken pipe. So, how is AI going to fix your vehicle? If you're not sure and you think you need some support, contact us. We're happy to give you up to 20 minutes free diagnostic scan with mechanic combining together, so you can have a good experience. And yeah, use AutoNet. See you next time.